Well, today we're going to do a meal prep or a quick dinner salad. It's fairly easy to do. I normally post 2 videos per week on either healthy food, meal prep. I work, full time, and I also do 15 hours of training per week. So I don't really have time to cook during the week. So I make sure I do everything on the weekend. So I'm starting with this one: 3 green onions, 3 pieces of celery, 2 large carrots, and then I'm going to use some parsley to give some taste onto that. For the beans themselves, you can use whatever beans you like. It's the one that you like the best. I try to keep my salad really simple, and I gotta make sure I get them done fairly quick. I give myself maximum an hour and a half to do meal prep during the week, and I'm trying to get all my lunches done and at least a couple of suppers done, including all my breakfasts. So you gotta keep it simple, gotta keep it fast. For the lemons, I start with a spoon, and once I get it kind of crushed down with the spoons, then I can just squeeze it into my hand, and then that closes it out. Probably the fastest way that I found to do a lemon, and then don't get any seed into the salad itself. So you can do this fairly quick, fairly fast, and then it doesn't take much time. It pretty well takes more time just to prep your veggies, get your carrots done, than anything else. Everything else, when it's time to assemble, it's super quick. You can do a salad like this probably in less than 10 minutes from start to finish. You can always play with the ingredients, put whatever you want or whatever you like. I try to keep everything simple, obviously, because of speed and timing for these types of salad. So this salad meal, you can use it meal prep. A couple of it will last quite long, so that's something that you can eat easily on the Thursday and the Friday, and it's still going to be looking and tasting really, really good. So for the tomatoes, small tomatoes, you can use large tomatoes if you want. Just gotta be careful not to have too much juice in there, so it doesn't get soggy later on during the week for your meal prep itself. Then 2 cups, I cut those in 4. That generally does the trick. For the rice itself, I'm using 3 cups of balsamic rice. Simple rice, very easy to cook. You do it in the rice cooker, or you do it on the stove. It doesn't really matter. Whatever's the best to do. Today I'm not doing my own sauce. What I'm doing is I'm going to use some Greek salad just to make it for ease. I put very little sauce in any of my salad, just kind of try to keep it to a minimum. Obviously, you want it to taste something. Rice can get fairly dry after a while, so you mix all of that up, and then the last thing that you need to do is putting in inside of your small containers for your lunch, and then you can use whatever you're not using is going to be a side dish for your meal during the week. I love doing those salad, and like I say, I do at least 2 types of salad for every meal prep every weekend. That allows me to be able to do all my training during the week, and obviously it saves me a ton of money because I don't do restaurant anymore. Since I've been doing my meal prep, I've been saving a lot of money because I don't do any restaurant. And then if you're well prepared, you can do all your meal prep through the weekend with no problem. You can do it under 2 hours, and that's all together. So if you have any ideas for meal prep, just go ahead. You can send them my way. The other things, if you're interested in healthy food and living like I do the subscribe button as you wish, and then we can go from there. Thanks.